Te muneti. Muneti ni internet.
Kigwa mundu eta internet muneti ri.
Ti waira.
Sa millennial.
Acio ni millennial.
Acio ni meta smartphone touch.
Te muneti.
Yes. Okay, we already dio thimu na muneti. We, tiakona thimu yake?
Na muneti.
Yes. Ani uhoro wa muneti wa thimu wanjirie na thimu iria ciokire cietagwo the polyphonic. Yes. Polyphonic ni cio citiarĩ rwĩmbo no ringtone ciao nĩ ciarĩ na kaũthaka keho. Before that, anyone who wanted to access any form of internet had to walk.
Tondu internet itanagĩũka thimũ-inĩ.
Yes.
For one, internet was not everywhere.
It was not everywhere. Nĩ kwarĩ kambuni ta I think africaonline.com. Ciarĩ o kuo we kambuni, but they were mainly in big towns. Rĩu harĩa amwe aitũ tuoka Prince Checking gũcemania na mũneti-rĩ nĩ cyber
cafe.
Yes. Na cyber cafe I think it is near obsolete business.
Well, cikire okuo no riu kira ciekire ne ko diversify maundu maria na services iria ikeheanaga.
Itondo document-ini uria yari you will not make any money.
Riu kira ciagire ne diversification ne kanyitanio na tundu tungi.
One printing, what have you, uyo ka machine ginya cia 3Ds, what have you, so they magetukane mono wale.
Mwacio ginya kuhura bisha, what have you.
Yes. Tena le the tech savvy ones of us na munwale mao na cyber cafe you had to have external networks.
Yes.
Tondu ngiathie cyber cafe kuyariria bakora either ni wathire site iho thiko ici ni cia dating, hindi o tiari dating. Ugathie haria ha pen pals. He muthungu mwaragia nake umuragia kwa na atia.
No kaigwo wega muno ati munaria na mundu utari guku bururi-ini.
Yes. Na email. Wakuria kwandikira hau. I'm from Santa Cruz. It's very chilly here. We are in fall. So the snow is down. I think we're expecting as we go into the winter, we're expecting a white Christmas. Now come wadekera how here in Donyo Jelu also.
It's cold.
No, it's cold. But we are grateful to Mwene Nyaga because of Bula ya Kimela. Because you're gonna be very interested. How is Africa? We are not in all of Africa.
Myself is in Kenya.
Kenya, a place called Duduli. So what do you guys do there? What are your hobbies? Well, we don't have much time for hobby because of Kulima. And you know, there's a gut feeling in you. Na hope near to madu may walk the nabana came. Namutor no one I heard him. Nimule is money and I had no more yanake. Wakuma Singapore.
Until Singapore was abused.
Oh, yes. And I knew that fantasy grow. Wait a mammy will know the Mudogo. Cyber cafe. You see, the Modoavia Saibari, Luo Guru Matiakira Gado, tattoo.
No, there were not many people.
And they were largely bookworms.
Aduogi.
Yes. We one man or more doing an asiari. Okay, when the Madio Cotter make an order, Magavi Namurang. Yes.
It was an illusion, a Matauni Mara Hoki. By then,
heck, you go to ask this Matahuda Muno, yet I go browsing. Ndathiko browsing. Yandĩko hau. Browsing 10
per minute.
Yes. Ũgakĩingĩra ndio cyber cianaga library. Yes. Kaingĩra hau. Wakora ũrĩa ũramĩman.
Ona riu kwaje ku mwaraho wa ma computer ta 10.
And the people who used to work at cyber thought they are returning officers of IEBC.
No, those people felt very sweet about themselves.
They thought they are the national level returning officers. Ona matiina mukaga. Ahinya wau akwira. Enda kwa number 9.
Wewe ile computer number 9.
Amuka Siungoje. Ya akuhingulira. Ukona ajia utara.
Ile ya corona time hare iguru.
Yes. We okaje riu hau. Ko browse. Kabogathie email. Yes. Stacy Wajiko at yahoo.com. Kwa ikaragari wale nao mari riu maigwa space yo makihingura at hotmail. Okona Yahoo ori kuma marwa maria wetirie na more there is nothing in the inbox.
Sire kindu kingi giukite.
Ona kitona gutia nginya promo mail. Yes. Wakithie ukariface kiria wandikirio gatuma. And it was painstakingly slow.
No, for one nginya computer cia head yo were very slow.
Yes.
Internet also was very slow.
Actually cia thimona kindu gitagwo Pentium. Asema tikimenyo.
Yes.
Pentium 1, Pentium 2, the speed. Yes. Aigo wala kana mouse.
Kahinya mouse kahinya na hinya ding.
Yes. Wakoro riu weri. We ukire exploration. You are not coming there kuongerera hakiri.
Ukire mbeago.
Woka kuthira hakiri ere ikinyite. He game yari ho ya gitama. Andikwa ndura muno tondu only millennials no. Gitama eke ne draft. Riu athakaga na mouse. Na mweno uyu hari kahiki. Kai na thikati ya gym na browse ya mahua. I am painting the image. Nwaigwa. Stacy. Mweno one kahiki. Mweno ngire the draft game. Wahotana muiki wakahuthia mato.
Nyo.
Itonyo. Oihotana.
Itonyo.
Oihotana aku appreciate. Leo gini ni siakana siakinya the ultimate prize.
Ndio mbeca iria gukite nacio cyber ni mabuti urarimitie.
Yes.
Woka ciathirira mbeago-ini.
Yes. Ukona ukiuga ati urikie gitama kiu ri wi magana meri membia. Na no ya dimini ra we hari ari. Gutiari privacy.
Acha.
Ni aramenya kiri oretha. To no hindi na githungu ndu iki. Na mundu andika hau. Hot girls. Mayo kahau. Mago akamerorera. Na bisemo ya higura
kahora ikirikia kibao kana 25 hatiri
na ni aragagira kiromo kia iguru ora muono maitho oya na ndu ndagweta mundu renda kone kiri oreka
kiri oreka
atita kana kandika hau people are they have always been perverted people in life. Kandika hot girls in swimming pool. Eto ndo wareka hot girls ukara hero mena thuti.
Saiba gutiari ringi private.
Gutiari. Saiba nyingi cia koga korofaini na tustay atwa cuma.
No ru no gwakire njuhiga. Ni ciamenyaga guthaka with the less privacy. Ni ciamenyaga riu ciena computer tricks. Ukamenya ni uhinguraga giki ukamba ukarestore down. Ukamba ugekira cover screen-ini.
Admin ukakurora uka minimize.
Uka minimize. No ukahingura MS Word.
Yes.
Hana tari kindu urandika muthungu.
Yes. Ukara receive ureka atia? Urataipa. Kumbe wewe uko uguo kwa hot girls. Let me tell you. And you know they didn't have audio. But you don't get the
Asha.
Ne wona tu ino.
Uinoke.
Yes. Ona bisio ya higo kauga oh.
Wonderful.
Yo kera we to you admin excuse. Kunja. Ni plintie hii. Unasuria wako. Wewe tawarasi.
Okiuma umana matatu mebesa.
Ndore onaki. Ona beso kwete ne kuri arajiri.
Ore ino kana ino mocio magari.
Yes. And the cyber was addictive.
No, very.
Wathiata usade ngimo wakurorio hau. Ndio rata ipuka gwo kamwe kacha. Kacha. Kainya shift. Yes. Mouse. Na nisia na kafanika ba. Adwara mete ile mawira saiba na makiandikwo ri they should never forget that.
Na mundu wahingurire Facebook saiba
mangai na wakiona bisa physical escanuo upload profile
photo
wakana bisa kuhuriro mathia magatua cioma
escano
ukauga unaweza kata huyu
tuweke ndio tuweke mimi kirengo
profile. Yes. Na ndio tukaigura Facebook tondu we were very innocent. Ndwetaga ritwa ati AKA
Asha
wonaga Susan Warenga Muchemi
ni maritwa ma kibande
Safroni Kamau Gige.
And that is how you could find your adubwa maga now.
Yes.
Because they had no AKAs.
Hatiare ziko yule msupa. Hatiare mule bwaga wa Dagatanga. Ne une siwa ile ma. Wa Mucheru.
Yes. Na orora bisho kona ni moyo ne wa ile ma.
Wa ile moyo ni we wothe. Yes.
Friend request.
Yes. Okamu request na kia kindu kauruka uri kia yegeta go poke. Nuake na muno kora ati Chantel waja
poked you. Facebook ni meheririe kanyamu kau.
Na nikale kega. Na gakoria poke back.
Yes.
Yes. Poke. Otiare kora ikare kora ikare go poke.
Kora ikaguo kathutha.
Yes. You know, we used to live in imagination then. Yes.
Ni gwakiara hukire riu maundu magioka maingi na manene.
Kwara hukire.
Na magituika more modern.
Those were the days really gwakire. What was that cable called? Fiber optic cable.
Oho, riu internet gwoka fiber optic cable.
Yes.
Riu internet igicenjia.
Yani.
Na kigia speed.
Speed bega pio.
And it's good on that young to appreciate wirore warutirwo ni mutahi wakago waziri.
The minister then. Mutai Kagwe.
No wari waziri wa information.
Absolutely.
Thirikari ni ya Mwai wa Kibaki.
Heni. Makirehe kindu wetwo fiber optic cable igerete iria-ini kuma Dubai. What are you saying? That was a redefining moment in this country.
Hauru ni maundu marahukiire.
Yes. Oh my. Fiber optic. I goodness. Poke back. Iga.
Ithake na 44.
Yes.